Choosing the perfect crib for your baby is a crucial decision, and the best baby cribs offer a blend of safety, durability, and style. Top-rated cribs are crafted from sustainable materials like New Zealand pine, ensuring a non-toxic environment. Features such as adjustable mattress levels, convertible designs that grow with your child, and sturdy construction are essential. Safety certifications and rigorous testing standards ensure peace of mind. Additionally, versatile designs that fit various nursery styles from classic to modern add aesthetic value. These cribs provide the ultimate combination of functionality, security, and elegance, making them the ideal choice for your baby's first bed. That said, let's dive into the best baby cribs of 2024. If you're after a baby crib that offers fantastic value for money, the Delta Children Essex stands out as the best option for 2024. This 4-in-1 convertible crib is not only reliable and affordable, but also versatile. It transforms into a daybed, a toddler bed, and even a sofa, all at a cost-effective price point. Design-wise, the Delta Children Essex comes in a charming Bianca white finish, complemented by elegant angled solid pine legs with a natural wood tone. The crib features an adjustable mattress height with 3 different positions, allowing it to grow with your baby. You could start with a mattress at the highest level for a newborn and lower it as your child begins to sit or stand. Once your little one outgrows the crib, it easily converts into a toddler bed, a chase lounge, or a sofa. Safety is a top priority with this crib. It has been rigorously tested for lead and other harmful elements to meet or exceed ASTM and state safety standards. Delta Children, founded on the principle of providing safe, high-quality cribs at an affordable price, ensure that all their cribs are JPMA certified and surpass industry benchmark. The Delta Children Essex is made from sustainable New Zealand pine and poplar wood, ensuring durability and eco-friendliness. This high-quality construction means the crib is not only safe, but also built to last. If you're looking for a budget-friendly crib that doesn't compromise on safety or quality, the Delta Children Essex 4-in-1 convertible crib is an excellent choice. It provides exceptional value and peace of mind, knowing that your baby is in a safe, well-crafted crib. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Up next, the Storkcraft Equinox is highly regarded as the best modern baby crib of 2024. This crib is a beautiful addition to any modern nursery, featuring clean lines, a two-tone finish, and an eye-catching X design that adds a touch of elegance. Designed to grow with your child, the Storkcraft Equinox has a 3-position adjustable mattress base, allowing you to lower it as your baby begins to sit or stand. This ensures safety and convenience as your little one grows. Additionally, the crib can be converted into a toddler bed when the time comes, saving you the hassle and expense of buying a new bed. Safety is paramount with the Storkcraft Equinox. It is JPMA certified and thoroughly tested by independent laboratories to meet the highest safety standards. Parents can rest easy knowing this crib is backed by a 1-year limited warranty and excellent customer support. The adjustable mattress height is an essential feature, providing peace of mind as babies often develop new skills unexpectedly, necessitating changes in their sleep environment. Another standout feature is the exceptional customer service from Storkcraft. Users consistently praise the company's dedication to making the nursery setup process enjoyable and stress-free. They address all customer inquiries promptly and efficiently, ensuring a positive experience. In addition to its practical benefits, the Storkcraft Equinox boasts a modern, minimalist design available in 2 colors. This versatility makes it easy to match with any contemporary, gender-neutral, or Scandinavian nursery style. Made from pine wood, poplar dowels, and wood composites, it combines durability with aesthetic appeal. The Storkcraft Equinox offers a perfect blend of modern design, safety features, and excellent customer service, making it an outstanding choice for any nursery. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Introducing the DaVinci Jenny Lind, widely regarded as the best vintage baby crib of 2024 by many reviewers and experts. This 3-in-1 convertible crib combines classic style with modern functionality, making it a standout piece in any nursery. The Jenny Lind crib features retro spindle post and convenient wheels, allowing for easy room adjustments or cleaning. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors, including emerald green, cherry red, coral, navy, lagoon blue, and as well as classic options like white, black, and 2 shades of gray. These color choices along with its high-quality wooden rotors, give it a unique and majestic appearance. The DaVinci Jenny Lind is environmentally friendly. This crib supports 3 modes with the addition of a conversion kit, sold separately, crib mode for infants, a toddler bed, and finally a day bed. Parents appreciate its sturdy build and charming design, which features wooden spindles and rounded edges on a slim profile, making it less bulky than many other cribs. This helps create a more spacious feel in the nursery. Safety is assured with the DaVinci Jenny Lind, as it has been rigorously tested for over 10,000 chemicals, contributing to cleaner indoor air and a healthier environment for your baby. The swivel wheels make it easy to move the crib, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach places underneath. The wheels can also be locked to keep the crib securely in place. The DaVinci Jenny Lind offers a perfect blend of vintage charm, practical features, and safety. Its vibrant colors, sturdy construction, and ease of movement make it an excellent choice for any nursery, adding both style and functionality to your baby's space. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Next on our review list is the Graco Hadley, which we recognize as the best convertible baby crib of 2024. If you're seeking a crib that will grow with your child and comes with essential certifications, the Graco Hadley 5-in-1 convertible crib and changer fits the bill perfectly, offering ample storage space for all your baby's needs. This crib isn't just a short-term solution. It can transform into a full-size bed, making it a long-lasting investment. The design includes drawers and shelves, providing plenty of storage space and convenience. Constructed from pine, engineered wood, and wood composites, the Hadley also features Euro drawer slides. Its finish is tested to meet or exceed ASTM and CPSIA safety standards, ensuring a safe environment for your baby. Additionally, it's JPMA certified, having been rigorously tested by independent labs to meet stringent safety criteria. The Hadley is built to adapt as your baby grows, featuring an adjustable mattress base with 4 different height settings. This allows you to lower the mattress as your child begins to sit or stand. The crib accommodates any standard full-size toddler mattress, ensuring continued use as your child transitions from infancy. One of the standout features of the Graco Hadley is its spacious bottom drawer, ideal for storing baby clothes, bedding, and more. It has 3 adjustable mattress positions to suit your child's growth stage. With a non-toxic, baby-safe finish, the classic lines of this crib complement any nursery decor. The soft neutral tones and timeless design are perfect for both traditional and modern styles. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Finally, we introduce the Babyletto Hudson, which earns the title of the best overall baby crib on the market in 2024. The Babyletto Hudson is simple yet stylish, eco-friendly, and designed to last for years as it transitions from a crib to a toddler bed and eventually to a regular bed. Crafted from sustainable New Zealand pine wood, this crib complements any nursery with its versatile design. The Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 convertible boasts a sleek look, solid wood construction, and a non-toxic finish. It features an adjustable mattress with 4 levels, allowing it to accommodate your baby's growth from sitting to standing independently. One standout feature is the toddler rail, which provides a sense of security similar to a crib while giving your child the freedom to get out safely. This helps ease the transition from crib to bed, offering both safety and comfort for your little one. The mid-century modern design of the Hudson is sleek, clean, and streamlined, adding a touch of elegancy to any nursery. Made from sustainable New Zealand pine, the Hudson is free from lead and other toxic finishes. Its spindles on all 4 sides offer excellent visibility, allowing you to keep an eye on your baby from any angle. This crib's functional frame grows with your child, serving them well from birth through infancy. While the Babyletto Hudson may not be passed down through multiple siblings or cousins, it's an ideal choice for an average-sized family seeking a stylish, high-performing crib. It offers great value, combining designer looks with practical functionality, making it a top pick for any modern nursery. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.